How you doing, guys? Back again. Another video, another piece of shit. Another track build we're doing again. Got a hoist this time. I'll finally install that. What we're gonna do today? We're bracing brakes that just ordered for my MX-5 from all the way from Queensland. Pretty good product, not gonna lie. I was going for everything has to be basically Australian, what do you call it? Australian support instead of being like Wilwoods or something like on the other car. You know, I wanted it to have actual parts. So if I have a caliper failure or something, you know, I can get parts for it. And that's what the main thing was when I was buying this car, because we changed the plans. We're going time attack now. Time attack spec. And yeah, well, these are the 15s. You can get them to 17s, blah 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 blah. But obviously, for what I was gonna do with them, I thought the 15s were gonna suffice, because I am gonna run 15s on this car when it's not in time attack. Because time attack, obviously tyre sizing is the limiting factor for the Yokohama A050s. And unfortunately, the biggest they run in a 15 inches is a 225/50. And my own personal, that, yeah, 15s go quicker, they do. One of them MX-5, they do. The calculation of going 17s in a 255, because I can run 255 on this car, is about 3.5 kilos a corner heavier. So that's like 14 kilos extra weight to the total weight of the car for like an extra 30mm worth of grip. It's a fair bit of tyre, not gonna lie. But for the sake of 14 kilos. If you run them, so 929 is exactly 1.45 kilos a rim difference, which is, it's a little bit because it's unsprung mass, but unfortunately it's what we have to deal with. If we're not running on Eastern Creek or time attack, probably be running 15s most of the time, or 275 or something, but definitely that's our limiting factor today. Anyway, besides that, flashing is game. This is Lari Racing. The Rotor Design 15. I think these are 290mm. I think. Could be wrong. Let's put part number for your reference anyway, just in case you want these in the 15s. But yeah, these fit under the 15s. Obviously, I'm going to go 17 hours as well as 15s. These are 17s on the car, so actually we'll know what they look like with the fucking 17s under it. 290mm, I think, or 296mm. 17s are like 334, which are fucking huge. But I'm pretty sure all that is put a bigger rotor on it. It's just a rotor change out. I'm sure the caliper is still spaced out enough to fit that. So what we're going to do today, gotta weigh each individual part, right? So a rotor weighs 5.92, 3.2 kilos exact. That's exact. This is a paint scale. This is measures to the 10th of a gram. So we know exactly what it weighs. So they weigh 5.9232 kilos for that rim, for that disc. So this one's 5.92, 5.72.8. So pretty close. That's not bad. Pretty close in weight. That's what they are. Definitely not bad. So they cost, that's what they weigh in 15s. Now, the main stuff, Barry Racing. It's the installation booklet, pad, kit, numbers, everything, all that sort of stuff, which is quite nice. All fuck. These billet calipers. You got hardware, mounting hardware. I think these might be heli brake line approved, caliber brackets. So we'll see what the caliber brackets weigh. I have no clue to it. Billet alloy feels like, yep, Billy Alley alloy, light, 406 grams. It's not bad. Part number for that. Quite a nice product. Quite nice and Woolworths, because I do have, this is called Woolworths outside, and look at that caliper. There's a beautiful looking colour. Beautiful piece of billet aluminium. And these weigh 3.62 kilos. So a corner, these are about, do the quick maths, say 6 kilos, 9.5 kilos a corner, right? 9.5 kilos a corner total. A corner, right? It is a little bit of weight. That's pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty heavy. I'm pretty sure Woolworths, like the Dynapack lights, the Dynapack lights are nowhere near that. I'm pretty sure. The 6-pot Dyna Pros, I think that's what I got on my drag car outside. They're pretty light caliper, but it's also pretty thin rated too, only 22mm. These are like 26mm rated, I think these are. On their website, you can check on Barry Racing website, but yeah, there's definitely a bit of meat on these compared to the States. I think 28mm or something stupid, which is quite heavy, but for thermal conduction, that sort of shit. But you need them for enduro races. But I don't plan on doing enduros. I plan on doing 30-minute sessions, that sort of shit. So yeah, it's got a good there. I'm gonna test fit and see how we go.